How to fix TikTok couldn't upload video problem in 2 minutes. So if you want to fix your TikTok couldn't upload video in 2 minutes, then what you need to do is you need to have a stable internet connection. Because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your videos might take more than 2 minutes to upload. So just simply check your internet connection. If it's not stable, then you can simply open up your settings. And once you've opened, now you can go for network and internet. And under network and internet, if you're using your Wi-Fi, then you need to simply turn off your Wi-Fi and then again turn it on. But if you're using your mobile network, then you can simply turn that on and off once again. Or you can switch to your mobile data, or you can switch to your Wi-Fi if you're using your mobile data. And once you check your internet connection, now your problem will be fixed, because the slow upload problem is because of the internet connection. So once you've checked that, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and you can search for TikTok. And once you've searched, if you have an update option under your TikTok, then you will find that kind of problem. So simply update your application, and once your app is up to date, then you won't have any problems on TikTok. So that's how you fix your TikTok couldn't upload video problem in 2 minutes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.